Hi, my name is Jeff, and I am a co-founder of Loba Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and tricks into digital marketing for UC Bay Area construction and concrete. In this video, I'm just going to go over a couple of easy ways to beat your competition online and make sure that you're getting the most out of your online presence. We know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So we started making these videos to help small business owners like you. If you have any questions or if you'd like to talk about it any further, we'd love to hop on a call. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So 3 things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text, all the images, the text within the images, how they are saved, even your contact information down here. Now, to be considered authority or have good standing with Google, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. So you're going to want to stuff it with content that has to do with buyer intents for you specifically. So for you, you'd be looking for things like concrete corpus christi, fencing corpus christi, and other keywords, phrases along those lines that way anyone who types those searches into Google, your website will pop up. Now, looking at your website, I actually really like how you display your different projects here in this gallery, giving lots of examples and before and afters of what you've done in the past. And then you've also got these testimonials down here. Those are very, very valuable for whenever people come to your site to see if they can trust you as someone to do their business. So one suggestion I would make is to be sure that your website is optimized to run as fast as possible. Google has a tool that it's called the Google Site Speed Test, and you basically would put your URL here into that analyzer, and it'll actually tell you what is slowing down your site, because it does take a little bit to load, which is not very favorable for Google. They will penalize you for that. Overall, we definitely want to make sure that your homepage here does have 1,500 to 2,000 words, and that your service page, that one also has about 500 words to for each different type of service that you offer. Now, moving on, the next thing I want to go over is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. And you can see the website's still loading here, so definitely need to see if you're able to optimize it at all. Now, it's the thing with Google, they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to get a lot more influence from backlinks that are related to your industry. For example, a reputable construction blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of concrete pouring techniques. Those would be very, very good influential backlinks for you, as opposed to somewhere like Domino's Pizza or Macy's that has nothing to do with, pouring concrete. So I pulled up your site here on a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It provides a lot of excellent data on how you're doing as far as backlinks go. This is your website here. We're looking at one backlink from one referring domain and 0 organic traffic. As opposed to your top competitor in Corpus Christi Concrete Paving, which you may or may not have heard of. They have 739 backlinks from 75 referring domains, and that is generating about 128 organic touches to their website. So 128 people per month, this is per month, are coming to their website. Now, a strategy that we tell our clients is to use to get that same kind of influence and power is to go in and see what backlinks they have and just go after those same backlinks and then add even more to surpass them. So by the time that they even realize what is happening, you've already passed them, and you just keep on adding more and more backlinks, good quality backlinks to stay at the top of the Google searches. The last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search it, and then they're going to pick probably one of the first companies that pops up. So let's take a quick look here at that. I said earlier, we can look at something like concrete corpus christi. And so you'll see here what pops up is what's known as the Google Map Pack. And so a lot of people end up clicking on one of these companies here that shows up. What makes companies show up here? It's those things that I was talking about, citations. So the more times you have citations, which is a listing in a directory, such as Yelp or White Pages, Yellow Pages, of your name, your address, and your phone number. So the more of those that you have, the higher you're going to show up on these, and then eventually, if you get enough of them, you'll show up here as one of the top ones, and that's where you get a lot of traffic. So that was a lot of information. If you have any questions, or if you are interested in learning more about how you can maximize your return on your website, feel free to give Megan a call back, and thank you so much again for watching.